the word why, to ask for a reason or explanation. Why is that? Why did you? Why are we? Why is that happening again? Why did you cancel the meeting? Why are we still waiting for a response? To introduce a cause or justification. Why it matters, why we need, why it's important. And let me explain why it matters so much to the team. Here's why we need to finish this by Friday. And she told me why it's important to follow the procedure, to express surprise or emotionally charged questions. Why not? Why now? Why me? Why not take a break and relax? 10. Why now, when everything was going well? He kept asking, why me, after hearing the bad news, to prompt deeper thinking or motivation. Know your why, ask why, understand why. It's crucial to know your why when starting a new goal. Always ask why before accepting a task. Try to understand why people behave the way they do. To indicate a questioning attitude or curiosity. Wonder why, curious why, question why. And always wonder why he left so suddenly. She was curious why the project was delayed. We should question why this decision was made so quickly.